Okay, question number 9. We are given a system of equations. We have two equations, two variables. It's technically four ways to solve this. Augmented matrices, we don't see that too often. You could graph both of these to solve them if you wanted to. It'd be rather time consuming and tedious. The two most common ways are the substitution or elimination. In this situation, uh, it's a good idea to take a look at what you have and what makes the most sense. As you can see, if we use the elimination method by adding these two equations, those y values will knock each other out and we'll be left with x all by itself, 8x, and then we can solve for x. So that's definitely the most straightforward approach in this situation. And notice the question itself asks, what is the value of x? So we're going to simply add these two equations as our first step. We know 4x plus 4x gives us 8x. I have to cross that off. We know plus 3y and minus 3y cancel each other out, so we have nothing there. We know 8 plus negative 16 gives us negative 8. Be sure to bring down that equal sign. We're going to divide by 8 on each side to keep it in balance. Those knock each other out. X equals negative 1. B is the correct answer. So we used an elimination method here by adding the two equations. When we did that, we got rid of that variable y. We left ourselves with one variable. It's always easier to work with one variable than more than one. So we get x equals negative 1. It's not the only way to do this. You could have plugged in some different answer choices, solved for y, make sure it works in both equations. That'd be time consuming, but a lot of different possibilities here. This is the most straightforward for question number 9.